Hey guys, welcome back to the Edgewater Avenue YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the Kendall bottoms. The Kendall bottoms are reversible side tie bottoms, and they come with 3 different coverage options. If you're new to swimwear sewing or sewing in general, these bottoms are a great beginner project. For materials, this list is very simple. You're going to need swimwear fabric and swimwear elastic. You're also going to need the pattern for the Kendall bottoms, which is available linked in the description or at edgewaterave.com. Because of the shape of the pattern and the straps, you will end up using more fabric than usual for a typical pair of bottoms. If you'd like to save fabric, you can sew the straps separately. But in this tutorial, I'm going to stick to how the pattern was made. So first you're going to cut your pieces. If you want to make your bottoms reversible, make sure to have 2 different fabrics to use. In total, you'll cut 2 of the front piece and 2 of the back piece. Then, match the lining and the outer pieces with right sides together. Align the gussets for the lining and the outer pieces, and then sew across to secure the gussets in place. But with the lining piece, you're going to leave a 1/2 inch to about 3/4 of an inch hole in the gusset. Later on, we're going to use this hole to take the bottoms to the right side. But don't forget to have one of the pieces have this hole. Once the gussets are sewn, you're going to open up the lining and outer pieces so they're laid flat. Then match them against each other with right sides together. Now it's time to sew every open edge and attach elastic. But before you do this, I recommend either sewing a basting stitch or using plenty of pins. This way you can ensure the fabric won't slide around while you're sewing. With pieces that have long straps like this can definitely be an issue, and that's a great tip to help. Once you're ready, sew along every open edge and attach elastic as you sew. You're going to attach the elastic everywhere except for the ends of the side ties, where it's not necessary. In this video, I am using an elastic foot. If you don't have one, you can break the process into 2 steps and first sew the fabric together and then go back and attach elastic. If you're curious about an elastic foot and whether or not it's necessary or if it'll help you, I did make a video on that, so I'll make sure to link it. All seams are now sewn, so it's time to take the bottoms to the right side. Using the hole we left in the lining gusset, take everything through that hole and to the right side. Now all that's left is finishing off the hole. You can either use a top stitch or you can use an invisible stitch. And that completes the Kendall bottoms. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you'd like, there are also some written directions available, which I will link below. Bye guys!